Okay, doctor, could you please share any inspiring story which has profoundly impacted you or your life?
There have been so many patients who have fought against all odds to be back in their life. Very recently, we had a European lady who had come and she was suffering from, we are talking about heel pain. Yeah. So she was suffering from heel pain, back of the heel, Achilles tendinitis. And she was a professional golfer.
Okay.
And she used to be at the top of her game at 45 or something. She developed this. She had to give up her sports. She no longer could do that. She, being a European, she went all around, searching for treatments, did a few, nothing was working. And when she came to me, I still remember that she said that I have given up on everything. I have given up on life. And uh, she didn't trust us when we said that we could do something to her, and she would like, okay, try, because I've given up anyways. And we did it. She's back to sports.
Wow.
She's back to golf. She added tennis to her, the whole
Wow.
the sporting thing. And she came back to me after 1 year of her treatment, of her playing with tennis elbow, and then she demanded that we now do regenerative treatments for her tennis elbow. So, but
Okay.
no, I mean, as I said, how it impacts, the entire life of patients, that I'm kind of understanding now, that, one thing, one small pain
Right.
could completely change her professional career, completely change her life. And how she got back to it, and fought her depression and came back. That was like really awesome. Another story I that again has impacted us a big way. So there are autoimmune disorders, okay, in which our own body's fighting system, the fighters in our body who fight against any infection which comes, like a bacterial or viral infection, these are called antibodies, and the system is immune system. So sometimes they attack our own body. They cannot recognize whether you are foreign or something enter
Okay.
in is foreign. So they start attacking our own system. So there are hundreds types of autoimmune disorders. So some attack the joint, some attack the muscles, some attack skin, and so on and so forth. They can attack anywhere. So when they attack skin and joints, it is one condition is called psoriasis or psoriatic arthritis. I had this lady who was around 59-year-old, and she came to us with psoriatic arthritis, with all joints involved, the patches of psoriasis everywhere. She was literally room bound for many years, because she and very dynamic lady actually, but was afflicted with this and just given up on life. And she when she came, she wore a full sleeves because she didn't want to show the lesions to anybody. We started the treatment. 6 months, she actually messaged us and she sent a video of her saying that she doesn't remember now the meaning of pain. She's completely pain
amazing.
free. She started wearing sleeveless. For her 60th birthday, she went to Goa and partied, and that was again, life changing
Right.
completely.
Right.
So we feel so grateful, that we are able to do something to patients for which nothing really is available. Literally, there is no treatment, so to say. There are treatments which control the symptoms. There is no treatment which actually goes to the root cause of the disease and actually corrects it there.
Right.
And manifests into something. So we really feel privileged to treat such patients actually.
Right.